Dr. Brandt, you're a dentist. Can you talk about how you got involved with a drink that promotes recovery and endurance?
I have a former brother-in-law that lives in Atlanta, Georgia, and he contacted me and gave me information about this drink, and he sent me a sample. And when I sampled it, like for example, I went out and raked leaves one afternoon in the fall, and usually that activity would give me some muscle stiffness and soreness the next day, and I raked up about 27 bags of leaves, and I had no soreness or stiffness at all. Then I told my sister about it, and I told a friend about it, and I gave them samples of the same product, and I didn't fully tell them what to expect with it. And they had similar experiences that I had. And so I began to investigate it more thoroughly, and I became to know the product, and I got to know what the product will do.
Talk a little bit about that. Alka-Plex is what we're talking about, is the product. What does it do and how does it work?
Alka-Plex is an FDA-approved product developed by pH Sciences, and it's a patented process to manufacture that. And basically, it's neutralizing acid that your body makes in response to different things, such as metabolic acidosis, the release of lactic acid from the process of fermentation for developing ATP and getting energy from glucose. That's an anaerobic process, and the anaerobic process end product is lactic acid, and this helps mitigate that lactic acid. They've done white paper studies at the University of Washington, and also they've done studies at Montana State University where elite athletes were able to exercise 52% longer to the point of exhaustion. They had 38% less lactate in their blood system, and their recovery rate from that strenuous exercise was 35% faster.